So like, yeah, you want to take all the advantages of spiritual leaders and authority, all the advantages of consensus democracy, and then but add in a process of transparency that allows ordinary people to use it or benefit from it in a way. Because we shouldn't just blindly trust the authority because they're conservative and not open to change. They hold the culture and the subtleties and complexity of that and how people are and all that kind of stuff in their heads that they've learned through bitter experience. Yeah. So that's why they are the elders. Consensus democracy. So consensus democracy has an advantage over majority democracy. Like, so if every single person has a veto, then you have to be able to bring everyone together to agree. And the theory is the only reason people don't agree is because they're working on different information, different objectives, different points of view. So it's like, so the process of building the consensus is a process of education and persuasion and understanding people's needs. And that results in a better outcome than a majority where you just say, well, we don't really care if 10% of people or 49% of people disagree because we've got the rule of the mob. So you're defining systems and processes, and this thing helps individual people and also the definition of systems and processes and the way the overall expectations of good behavior within any environment, where that your motivations for pursuing a certain line of inquiry or publishing your results in a certain way or drawing a certain conclusion, even those are kind of questioned and understood through a variety of different lenses. Everyone's motivations, everyone's kind of objectives and beliefs and frameworks and frames of reference and common anchor points, and then you can help align entire organizations, potentially entire countries, entire world, you know, and without destroying diversity, without saying there's only one way to do something, you know.